Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete all data on Line app. How to delete all data in Line app. The first thing you do is open up the Line app and then you tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then you tap on Chats under General and then you scroll all the way down to Delete Data. Tap on it and then you can see delete all data, which means from chats including photos, videos, voice messages and other files. Tap on it and confirm it. It's as simple as that. You can also delete data by chat by tapping here, so you can see no chat is found because I've already deleted all the data. If you don't delete all of them, you can delete by chat, which is the second one. This is individual chat delete. So that's it. That is how to delete all data in Line app 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which put up every day. Thanks for watching.